In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can check whether a page on your website has been indexed by Bing. So Bing is just like Google, but Bing is not that much popular today, but then it was popular. So I think some people still use Bing. So you need to have your website or your web pages appear in Bing search results so you can get some traffic. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So to get your website indexed on Bing, you need to move to Bing Webmaster like this. So you search this. Good. Bing Webmaster. Just like you have Google Search Console, you have Bing Webmaster. You just tap on that and then you log into your account. You get it? So I'm on a different URL. Let me change it. Let me edit the URL and then let me hop on the main page. So this is how the main page looks like. And this is the website I linked. You can see it here. So now what I need to do is I need to hop on my website. For the page, I want to check whether it has been indexed. So in this tutorial, I'm going to assume you've set up your Bing Webmaster. So I'm going to drop a link in this video's description on how you can claim your website here in a simple and easy way. Since you have Google Search Console, I'm going to show you guys how you can claim your website on your Bing Webmaster simple and easy. So when you copy the link of the web page, now hop on your Bing Webmaster platform like this, and then you tap on the URL inspection, and all you need to do is just paste it just like you're on Search Console, and then you inspect the link. Good. And saying it has not been discovered, it has not been crawled. So all you need to do is just submit a sitemap. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in my next video. I'm going to drop the link in the description too as well. You submit a sitemap. After submitting your sitemap, just index it. Request indexing. You can request, I think, 100 URLs per day. So now you submit it, and it has been submitted. So within the day, they are going to review it, and if there is no problem with my link, they're going to index it on Bing. So I think search engines like Yahoo and the rest take their results from Bing. So you need to, get your website on Bing so you can get traffic from these search engines, mini search engines. Even though according to statistics, you don't have a lot of users right now on the market. But then I think it's still necessary for you to get your website indexed on Bing. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.